If you've been wondering how to add Magic Studio to Canva, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest way to access Canva's Magic Studio tools so you can start using features like Magic Edit, Magic Expand, and Magic Write in just a few clicks. This is super useful if you want to speed up your design workflow, create better content faster, or simply unlock more of what Canva can do. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Canva tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Canva and log into your account. If you're not signed in yet, enter your email and password or use your preferred login method so you can access your dashboard. Once you're inside Canva, open any design. You can choose an existing project or start a new one because the Magic Studio tools are available inside the editor. After your design opens, click on the photo you want to work with. Then look at the top toolbar and click Edit. This is where Canva shows you the photo editing and Magic Studio options. When the edit panel opens, you'll see the tools that let you enhance and transform your image. From here, you can use Magic Edit to change parts of an image, Magic Expand to extend the background or canvas, and Magic Write to help generate text content. If you don't see the exact tool right away, make sure the image is selected first because Canva usually shows these options after you click on a visual element in your design. That's really the key step here. You're not installing a separate app manually in most cases. You're opening a design, selecting the photo, and then accessing Magic Studio from the Edit menu in Canva's top toolbar. Once you know where to click, it becomes very easy to use whenever you need it. You can now experiment with the different Magic Studio tools depending on your project. If you're editing social media graphics, try Magic Edit to replace objects. If you need more space around your image, try Magic Expand, and if you want help writing content faster, Magic Write can save a lot of time. So that's how to add Magic Studio to Canva and get to the tools inside your design. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.